Hey everybody, my name is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com. Now previously I had made a React TypeScript template using Sass. So basically is using Parcel, TypeScript. So Parcel is the bundler instead of like a Webpack or a rollup, React and TypeScript. So this allowed you to create a React TypeScript project and style things using Sass. But you know what? Using styled components, I like styled components, so I figured there might be a demand to have a template that uses styled components. So I made that too. So here's the repo. You can just clone it, and you just follow these steps, and you're good to go, and you can use it. And just like the previous Sass template, I included some sort of pre-made tools to go. Okay, so here it is. So this is your app.tsx. Okay, and I'm just using this style. So basically the way I did it is I'm putting all the styles in this styles.tsx. So you can see here's all the styled components. If you haven't seen my video on how to use styled components, go watch that so you can understand how this works. So there's a couple. There's a title component that's just as a test. But then there's like the row component, the card component, the small card component that I had made in the Sass template. Okay, except now as a styled component. And so yeah, so let's just show you an example of how that would work. So right now I have this running. So let's go over here. So you can see that's it right out of the box. So if you see that, you got it working. But let's say I wanted to do a row. Okay. So now and then basically what I did is I'm bringing in all my styles using this. You could just destructure it if you want, because I'm doing them all as exports. So you can see export. And so you could just be like, or you could just do the destructuring pattern. I just was too lazy to set that up, so I just said, hey, import everything as style. So essentially if I want to use that row component, it would look like this. So first I need my parentheses for my JSX, and then let's see here, style.row, and then here /style.row, and then we'll have a couple cards. So style.card. Let's put a closing tag on that. And then in each of these I'll put an H1 hello world. And then let's just copy and paste this, Control C. Then I'll save it and let Prettier make it pretty. Save. Oh, nope. Save. Thank you, Prettier, for making my code pretty. Save. So now let's go back over here. Take a look at the difference as this updates. Oh wait, that's right. I'm not running the server right now. So to run the dev server, you type in npm run dev. Okay, and then that's going to kickstart Parcel. Now, the way I have it set up is you're going to install Parcel globally. So again, read the README, and it'll tell you how to do that. Cool. And then if I go right over here, refresh. Okay. Yep. There you go. See, there's that row element, which is this div right here, the row, and then the 3 cards. Okay, all using styled components, which again just generates randomly named classes. This is why you see these really weird named classes, but it's all built out in your JSX. So basically, it's like creating style wrappers inside of your React components. It's a very neat way of doing it. Okay, so that's what comes out of the box. Hopefully, you find this is a useful template. This is a TypeScript template, so if you're not used to using React and TypeScript, then watch my video series on React TypeScript, and this will be very useful. And again, there's also the Sass version, which allows you to use a Sass style sheet also in my repos. So just search if you don't already follow me on GitHub, okay, if you like star these repos, I appreciate it. But yeah, just want you guys to know that this is a resource for you guys, so enjoy.